Booting CRACKRUNE up. Start it up, brother. Alright, yeah, your stream still has no volume. So of course it doesn't.
It's not pronounced
anime. So when you go to Japan, don't go up to random people saying, do you
It's not pronounced
anime. So when you go to Japan, don't go up to random people saying, do you
It's my bad. You lean down to look inside the guitar. You began to read out the numbers in the passcode. 1, 2, 2, 2. Oh, fuck. No. Hey, Vessel! Vessel, put me down! Put me the fuck down, dude. I was smoking crack. The fuck was that? Hey, wait, dude, hey, listen, motherfucking soul, you're not supposed to know the code because I'm mysterious and I'm scheming. Dude, no, Vessel, stop, please, no, please make my crack. Hey, let me out. And we're scheming. The we does not include you. Oh, fuck you. Hey, Vessel, can you let me out? I don't like it in here. Hey. Oh, that box is suspiciously looking like it's covering something. Indeed it was. Anyways, I'm going to go in. La da 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 da, going through the vents, la da da, going through the vents, da do do do, going through. Oh, there's a fork in the road. We're playing as a solo now, so you decide where we go. Go to the side. Go to the side. Do 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 do. Oh, it doesn't look like anything interesting. And then go forward. Yeah, go the up route. Side. I prefer to like. Ooh, down, definitely down. Okay, once again, nothing. Okay, then go to the side. Oh. Dark Fountain. Next. Damn, it's a cooking night. Susie must not get guitar. Finally, some good fucking booze. Need so. Without so, Chris will get addicted. Susie guitar code. Stop. Turn Chris into an alcoholic in the CRACKRUNE universe. Okay, sure, but yeah, you can go to police sacrifice next week. Church tonight. Chris, dark road, no soul count. Is this a fucking cooking night? Talking. God damn, he sounds autistic. He can't even talk in proper sentences. Rouse says the soul's crack dealer. Yeah. So who's the meth maker in CRACKRUNE, says Sans. Probably. I think it was Gaster though. Like he cooked up the devious avoid meth. I'm pretty sure it was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Gaster. He gives that good cushion nakaha. Actually, real quick, Vessel, give me a minute. Yeah, give me a minute. I just gotta go talk to my dealer real quick. Well, my second one. Okay, yeah, I just wanna. Hey, put me down, bitch. Hey, I just want some crack. Hey, motherfucker, put me down. Motherfucker, put me down. Put me the fuck down. Oh my god, you're right. During night, sword has to be made of meth this entire time. It's the meth night. That's why I called it the cooking night. I called him the cooking night because, well, he's Walter White. Don't you put me back in that box. No, get out, no. Hey, don't fucking look at me, Vessel, you piece of shit. Yeah, I gotta go back in that vent. Anyways, real quick, I'm just gonna hit up my my meth boy real quick. 1 second. Yeah. Huh. Is there anything else you want to tell me? Okay. So when will I get my meth? Next week. Shit. All right. Well, what's the problem here? Like, why are you going so late? Like, dog, I need it. Like, there's no way you can be out of like stock this quickly. I've only had like a couple hundred dosages. You're only stuck with hundreds. Hundreds? You gotta be fucking kidding me! I didn't even meant to say that. Hey, fuck you too, mate. Hey, you wanna go? You wanna go? Fuck you. That's why I thought. Don't fucking talk to me, little shit. Anyways, that did not go well. Anyways, yeah, my bad, dog. Oof. Hold on. The stream has no volume for you, Vessel of Joy. So I'm gonna send you a video of what Chris is doing right now. Oh, they're playing the piano. Yeah, I know that. With the soul, they can't play the piano. Without the soul, they can play the piano because the soul's actually controlling them and all that shit. I know. I know. Yeah, I think go up. Follow the oxygen. 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 Okay, I think we can just go forward now. I said go forward. I'm the one in control, motherfucker. God damn, he's thick. Bum dear. Phew, cleaning up sure works up an appetite. I wonder if the kitchen has any treats for me. I'm a fucking fat shit. I have no wife. Fucking, my child doesn't love me. My other child doesn't love me. My wife's getting burned by a skeleton in both universes. And I'm fat as fuck. And I'm gay. That was just cherry on top. I got to go look again. I'm gonna go get myself some food. Anyways, go back. Oh, shit. Down. Oh my fucking god. Down. I guess also down since we haven't been this way before. Stop following the oxygen. It's just gonna constantly lead you in circles. Go down. Hey, look at me. Look at me go. Hey, look at it. Oh, physics. Huh. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Anyways, I'm gonna go out the door. So I'm just gonna make as much sound as possible. Actually, interact with anything. Try interacting with the boxes. Tree? Tree maybe? Ah, the box. That very suspiciously brightly colored box. So, looks like it's just the two of us. Damn, kinda awkward without Chris here. Without Chris here. Why do I wish Chris was here? Maybe. Maybe I could bring up the dark world. Just say it was a dream I had. Nah, that'd be weird, right? Is this Noelle talking or is it Susie? I can't fucking tell because there's no sound. That was just Susie just then. I wonder. This is Noelle. I wonder if I could bring up the dream I had. No, no. She'll think you're a weirdo. But Susie knows the dark world is dark world. Noelle thinks the dark world was a dream. Okay, I'm timing out Sans. Listen, I'm being alright with him being all goofy and shit, but yeah, as of current, move the the very bright looking I'm gonna do it for like an hour. I'm gonna be nice. Sans is the random kid of Delta. No, not Delta and CRACKRUNE. Anyways, push the suspiciously bright colored CRACKRUNE rune. You idiot! You have to get rid of the first rune. Why would you even try to replace the first rune? Just get rid of Delta and then add crack. Fucking idiot. Oh my god. Anyways. Come on, Susie. No, Susie, Noel, give me more dialogue. Dude, a light. I don't know who's talking. Help me out here. Help me out. Tell me who's talking. Okay, this is the one time where I'm gonna blame you. I'm gonna blame you for everything. Dialogue is gonna go too far. Oops, the tree. Hey, motherfucker, I'm stuck in it. Hey, 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 help me. No! 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 Stop! No! I want to know how that sounds from your perspective. How did that even sound? I have no clue if that even went through in the recording or through the call. Did that even go through in the call? Even though it wasn't mine. Susie. I played it secret style so I wouldn't get in trouble. Oh my gosh, same. I played 2 with my dad, but like that was like this evil route my parents didn't know. I believe this is a foreshadowing. I believe this is supposed to foreshadow something, isn't it? This is definitely a foreshadowing. An evil route. Huh. Seems like foreshadowation. Really seems like it's foreshadowing something there. I thought Rudy's name was December. Oh wait, no, L December. That's their last name. They all share the same last name. Well, if you got another copy, just leave it in the lost and found, I guess. Maybe I will. Susie, are you smoking moss again? Nuh-uh. So, where the hell is the breaker? Oh, that, right. I'm, looking for that. Also, if you did the secret route, then she's playing Dragon Blazers Rudy. She'll be using ice moves against the ice boss, despite that not being effective. Alright! Actually, wait, how does she has ice powers? I thought everyone's abilities came from what they brought into the Dark Worlds. Wait, how does Noelle able to use ice? Oh, because she's a fucking reindeer. No, definitely not the ring, because the ring would have turned into some sort of weapon, and the things that you bring into the Dark World don't give you powers, they just turn into cool-ass looking weapons. Actually, pause the game. This is actually something we need to go in depth about, actually, huh? Let the dialogue pass on. Wait, do you think that it's like her ice powers are linked to her being a December, like a part of the December family? And because she's closely linked to, like, Christmas, and how she's also a reindeer, do you think it could have come from her being a reindeer? Huh. Huh. I mean, everyone's changes appearances in the Dark World. So, hmm? Hmm. Maybe, but it seems too odd because the only two who has magical powers is Rouse, who's a darkness. So, like, it couldn't possibly come from the ring she has. Because, well, we both know that, well, things that you bring into the Dark World don't give magical powers or have unique abilities. They just look really cool and give enhanced stuff. Example, like Susie's fucking axe. I don't know what that originates from. I think it was a pencil. Think it was a pencil, yeah. Oh, is that Chris's sword? I don't know. I don't remember that much. Susie has a hairbrush that turns into an axe, right, right. And I'm pretty sure Chris's was a pencil that turns into a sword. Actually, to think of it, nobody's swords, nobody's, like, weapons give them any cool powers. If you think about it, they just allow them to have, like, a little bit of physical enhancements. Example, Chris is just, well, yeah. No, I'm not saying cool, like, they don't give, like, powers at all. I'm saying that they don't, well, primarily give people magical powers. They mainly just, like, enhance stuff. Example, how CZ can, like, make that air slash, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it was an air slash. How much you wanna bet that the whole reason why she has ice powers is purely because she's wearing the, the ring, therefore and since she's a reindeer, she also gets the ice powers, because well, reindeers are mostly linked to this, like, December. What the fuck? Christmas! Yeah, no, she didn't have any ammo. Hey, Vessel, they're gonna fucking kill me. Let me the fuck out. I wanna go smoke my freaking void full meth. Let me out, please. Oh yeah, because of the previous chapter. I think it was the previous chapter. I don't remember. And that was with the grooviest Tumblr sexy man. I mean, Mr. Ant Tenor. I'm gonna fucking kill you if you make fun of my boy. Make fun of him one more time and I'll fucking kill you. Listen, I get how you can make jokes with him, but not about him. You do understand that, right? I will kill you. I will fucking gut myself. I will restart the run. I will forcibly restart the run. And then instead, I will be the one to make the choice to be nice to Birdly. I will, not you. Not you in the fucking. I will be the one to do the curdly route, and you won't fucking stop me. So make one more joke about Tenor, and I'm pressing the fucking restart button. Yeah, but it also entirely deletes this save and then starts a new one. And therefore you have to be in a new body with me. Motherfucker, I'm the soul. Also, you fool, this game doesn't have enough meta-story elements like Undertale to prove resetting exists. I'm a soul. Duh. Well, no, if we are the real soul inside of Chris. Brother, Frisk was a vessel, I'm pretty sure. Wait, no. We're the vessel. Frisk was a human being. I'm pretty sure Chris was made by Gaster. And then Frisk was made by two humans that really fell in love with each other and proceeded to have a child with each other by putting their noodle in a pizzati. I tried doing that one Mario meme. Genius kids who managed to fool the system. Fair enough. Principle to turn on the air conditioner, you would only turn it on at the lowest setting and keep the remote control to save energy until one student had an idea. He went to the cafeteria and got a cup of coffee with the help of his classmates in the classroom and placed the cup inside the unit. The heat made the thermostat confused. It was much hotter than normal, making the classroom much colder. Genius kids who managed to fool the system. In this school, the eighth grade classroom was a nightmare. It was located right next to the kitchen, which made it extremely hot. The kids begged the principal to turn on the air conditioner, but he would only turn it on at the lowest setting and keep the remote control to save energy until one student had an idea. He went to the cafeteria and got a cup of coffee with the help of his classmates in the classroom and placed the cup inside the unit. The heat made the thermostat confused. It was much hotter than normal, making the classroom much colder. Genius kids who managed to fool the system. Was a night. It was located right next to the kitchen, which made it extremely hot. The kids begged the principal to turn on the air conditioner, but he would only turn it on at the lowest setting. Okay, yeah. Anyways, continue the game. I'm not even gonna voice act. We're just gonna let the scene pass by. We're just gonna see these two lovebirds take it out. They're adorable. A literal fucking dinosaur. And then a reindeer. Who expected to ship a dinosaur and a reindeer together? Actually, what is Susie? I thought she was a crocodile. Is she a crocodile? Or is she a dinosaur? Is she a T-Rex? I have no clue, says the vessel. Some kind of reptile. Oi, reptilian! What the fuck are you? Actually, go search it up on Google. Fucking knew it. She's a dinosaur. She's a fucking T-Rex. Fuck you. Anyways, continuing on. Who would have ever thought they would be shipping a literal dinosaur and a reindeer together? Two most very, very different animals. One from billions of years ago, millions, I mean, not billions, and then one from current era. I think billions of years ago, she'd be an amoeba or something. Just continue the dialogue until we get into the actual game and past the lovers part. Yo, span the disc. Oh fuck, my bad. Hello, the soul. My bad. Go annoy Chris. Go annoy the vessel. Are we fucking getting bitch slapped? Okay, I said go annoy the vessel. Are they under the blankets? Ah! Ow, you bitch! Ow! Oh, put me down. Did Chris shoot a hockey puck at you? She did. Ow! Did you just hear that? It sounded like a guitar. You fucking bitch! Ow! Oh! 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 It hurts! Oh, you fucking bastard! Ow! How did she even shoot a hockey puck? Is it a she or a he? I'm sorry, I don't know. They. I'm pretty sure it's a they. Yeah, my bad, my bad, my bad. I don't know why I said she. I think it was because I think of Noelle. How did they have to be really good at fucking hockey to be able to get a hockey stick and be able to slam it with such force underneath the bed, by the way, to hit a hockey puck to directly hit a floating heart? Oh my god, I saw the red text and I got reminded of Human, I remember your genocides. Haha, fuck you, Vessel. You can't see me up here. You fucking retard. I am hiding upon the other souls. Why does this have so many shoes? Fucking hell! This, holy shit! Not to mention how I'm perfectly concealed in these groups of hearts. I'm just gonna go to that guitar over there, cause fuck you, Chris. Hey, you can't fucking reach me up here. I'm gonna climb up. I'm gonna climb up that little thing right there. Fuck you. Ah! Run it. 3, 2, 1, go! Fuck you, vessel. I gotta quickly. Ah! Okay, quietly, slowly. Vessel, I will fucking tickle you. Okay, slowly, slowly, slowly. Just gonna sneak my way over there. I'm gonna sneak my way over to there. Gonna sneak my way. Also, you know what? Read some dialogue. Okay. From what you just just makes me wonder why. In the end, I just got so overwhelmed. I so crazy. Was that a voice? Anyways, I ended up in a large city with Chris. What was interesting is that Chris just. Okay, there's definitely some screaming. They acted just like they do recently, I guess. Huh? Chris seems normal recently to me. And everything I guess was it. Can't get me, can't get me, can't get me, can't get me. I'm gonna get that guitar. Go, go, go. Sprint. Ah! Sounds like normal Chris to me. Well, it wasn't something was weird. I think Chris just weird. Chris is just weird, period. Yeah, sometimes they mumble, sometimes they yell. But sometimes it's like, dude, I don't know why, but like, for some reason, they're really, really good at flirting. Fucking what? Vessel! Vessel, the fuck? Apparently, Susie says that you're very, very good with flirting. Motherfucker, Vessel, no, Vessel, stop hitting me for a second. Tell me, who the fuck are you been flirting to? Have you been flirting with the dinosaur? Vessel! Vessel! Who the fuck have you been flirting with, Vessel? I'm crying, bro. Oh, so Susie Noel. Stop coloring your dialogue. Nah, they figured out how to do the human. I remember your genocides. And I can't stop. But seriously, what the fuck? Vessel, explain. Vessel, explain. Have you been flirting with the dinosaur? Vessel, have you been dipping in the fossils? Have you been dipping in the fossils? Have you? How does Susie know? How does Susie know? Tell me that. Look at me in the eyes, Vessel. How does she know that? Does saying I love TV count as flirting with Tella? I mean, you're saying it to a TV. I guess you're flirting with the TV. But seriously, dude, I'm like, real quick, stop moving me. Why the fuck? Why are you flirting with the fossil? The fuck is your problem? You fucking are. Don't you dare say I'm not. Like you're confused. She fucking said it. I want to let these two lesbians be in peace, brother. No, you don't. How does she said it proudly to Noelle, which means she's had a first-hand experience with your flirting. How the fuck do you flirt if you can't speak? The fuck does your jawline even look like? Brother. Wait a minute. You're the one flirting. No? You decided that? No, and you decide what I say in the dialogue text box, because you! Okay, I don't remember making any flirty choices. Remember, you also have control of your own body sometimes. Sometimes. So your ass probably used your freedom to riz up the dinosaur. You homewrecker? Using your freedom to homewreck? Jesus Christ. Oh wait, no, I riz up badly on the phone. Oh yeah, right. You wanted to like fucking, absolutely like destroy me, so you wanted to riz up badly. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, but how did you... Okay, you've definitely been flirting with the dinosaur. Like, Birdley, he's easy to fold, but Susie? If Susie... If Susie is saying that you're good at flirting, that is insane. Birdley folds instantly. Susie has pride and ego. She's not falling for you. Yeah, I do want to get the guitar. Let me get the guitar, motherfucker. Fuck you. Oh fuck! I clicked up the stream. Wait a sec. And stayed out. No, let me go. Let me go. Please. Please. No. Please, I beg you. Please. Fuck you. Please, I promise I won't touch your boobs again. Please. I mean, I haven't been touching your boobs. Dude, stop making some goddamn noise. Oh shit. Hi, Susie. Nothing happened in there. You're supposed to be searching for clues, dumbass. Yeah, you got called dumbass. Fucking idiot. Yeah, sorry about that. Fucking dumbass vessel. See? Yeah. Despite this guy being like a genius at flirting, he's a fucking dumbass. I have to live with him. You know how hard it is to live with a dumbass? Alright, yeah, no, she can't hear me because I'm in here. Vessel, I take back everything I said. Also, I swear I didn't touch your booze. Oh fuck, she got a guitar. They pretend that it's colored red. Are going to be so mad at me. Oh, Des. Fuck. Vessel, how could you let this happen? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Vessel, you fucking idiot! You focus on me, but not the guitar? You're a dumbass. You see, this is all your fault. Get the fuck up, you heart-shaped dipshits. I am your soul. You do not abide. You abide from my rules. You little I am the one that could. No, don't put me in the fucking microwave. Last time I expanded. We both got really hurt, dude. You can't do this. The fucking gift! The gift! I have to show it! I have to show it! I have to show it! What's happening in the closet right now? Literally. Oh god, this is gonna be even better because this is a whole like 1 hour video. It's already at like 46 minutes. A whole 1 hour video of the soul getting his ass beat instead of crack. Oh shit, we gotta speed this up. Yeah, you don't say. Oh, should I? Yeah, just get the dialogue at that point. Yeah, because when an hour's up, we're gonna have like a little bit of a break because every video is gonna be an hour long. Okay, that's the deal that we're creating. Every video has to be an hour long, so it's like a miniature movie. Even if we don't finish the chapter, we still have to do a hour-long video.
The luckiest person in Jujutsu Kaisen. In season 1, there was a cafe clerk who stood out. When Kenjaku arrived at a coffee shop with the four calamities to discuss how to deal with Gojo, he was the only one who sensed something was off. Normally, ordinary humans cannot see curses in the world of Jujutsu Kaisen, but the intense killing intent and overwhelming presence of Jogo were still enough to catch his attention. More importantly, he had four younger sisters at home. Sensing danger, the clerk immediately quit his job and left with the manager. But just after he stepped out of the cafe, Jogo learned that Kenjaku had found a way to seal Gojo, and in his excitement, he burned everyone inside the shop to ashes, except for the clerk who had already left. Not a single person inside survived. Later, in a manga interview, Gege Akutami.
Oh, hey dude, I fucked up. Thank you, man. Alright, so she is going to be getting here, and you are so lucky I don't gotta throw you under the bus. Yeah. Seems like a really big you problem, isn't it? Like, oh god, dude, like... But also, I guess I can thank you for not gonna throw me under the bus. Like, just one time I'll be nice to you. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit! Vessel! Vessel, what the fuck did you do? Despite being the mayor, she is actually quite forgiving to me, at least. Vessel? Vessel? Yeah, Vessel, this is why I had to call her. I'm Vessel. You Vessel the match. You fucking idiot. You fucking idiot.
Quitting his job, he returned to the countryside and started working at an izakaya.
Yes. Dude, you're a fucking idiot. How would you let her do? Oh my god. Listen, this is the first time that I'm gonna say that this is on both of us, and we're both going to get cooked. Listen, I am scared of that woman. Well, no, I'm Chris. You just keep calling me Vessel because you're the most egotistical piece of shit I've ever had the displeasure of having to spend time with. Yeah, but you fucking... Listen, I am scared of that woman. I am not scared of anyone in this entire universe except from you and that woman. We're going to die. Vessel, we're going to die. I don't blame you. Vessel, like, why the fuck would you do this? Like, you know, fucking... She's gonna rip us a new ass! She's gonna rip us a new asshole! Luckily, she should be having a good day today, hopefully. Dog, she's gonna be ripping me a new ass, and I don't even have one! She's going to rip me out of your body, and then rip me a new ass! Granted, she is the grumpiest grump in hometown, so it's hard to tell you what a good day is, but whatever. You wanna hug it out? You wanna hug it out before she fucking violates our rights as human beings? Granted, this is the only time I'm ever gonna be nice to you, okay? Sorry, I can't let anyone see that you as a soul is a separate being from me. Fair enough. Dude, I actually kind of kicked ass with that one. That's we're so fucked! We're so fucked! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god, we're so fucked! We're so fucked! Dog, we're so fucked. Why? Why? Mm. If even if there isn't a code in that guitar, that's Des' guitar, who's been missing for a while, and I totally don't have any relation to any character who is theorized to be Des. Hey, buddy, I think you heard her over the phone. By the way, that was you who was in control in that time period who let that happen to her. I wasn't in control in that time period. You did that to her. That is entirely your fault. Like, why would you do that to her? You're such an asshole. Like, listen, that wasn't even me trying to be an asshole that time. You just accidentally did that to her. Which is actually why I have to be in control all the time, because, well... Oh no, I called somebody else who was the mayor. What do you mean? Continue the dialogue, by the way. What do you mean?
Versus in the world of Jujutsu Kaisen, but the intense killing intent and overwhelming presence of Jogo were still enough to catch his attention.
Also, real quick, bro, I need to get on the treadmill, so we're gonna have to cut this video like a minute, like 5 minutes short of being an hour long. And then, sorry, Bucko, just know that the mayor isn't on any plans. I definitely have nothing to do with. Ignore that I know the bunker code. Yeah, so we have to wrap the recording up right now. Save the game here. And from like when I get on the treadmill, we won't be able to record more, except for we will be able to record more tomorrow. I kind of can't until I get it to a save point. Yeah, get to the save point and then just kick off the game. We won't be able to do any more voice acting because well, it's 8, and we kind of gotta probably work on you getting on earlier. So let's say change it to 4 p.m. for next recording. Yeah, 4 p.m. makes sense. Anyway, see you everyone.